Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and today I am sharing with you how to organize a handbag, or just some really practical ways of organizing a handbag. Now, I know that you can get these organizers, which I have seen on like Amazon and stuff like that, and I think they're a great idea if you enjoy the pocket system and you have quite large handbags, but I do find these really quite restrictive. So if you do have like lots of different size handbags, obviously this system is not going to work for you. So today I'm just going to be sharing with you a much more practical way of organizing your handbag. So I hope you enjoy the video. And of course, if you do, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And of course, turn on the notification bells so you don't miss another video. The organizers that I have bought today are just these makeup bags that I got from Big W. Now, I have decided that I'm not going to spend heaps of money on this project because I am trialing it, and if it does work for me, I will purchase a product that I do like a bit more. And then I got the food storage ones, which were $4 each from Cheapest Chips. And again, I can reuse this as, you know, food storage if I need to, or for jigsaw puzzles and stuff like that if this system doesn't work. So this is what I've purchased. The thing I love about these is that these are clear, so I'll be able to see exactly what is in each pouch when I go to grab for it. Okay guys, so the next process we're going to do is just clean out this handbag just by obviously tipping everything out. The thing I like to clean with is just a plain good old lint roller, just to get in there and get everything out. Obviously I can't throw this in the washing machine, so that is just the easiest way I find to clean out a bag. Sometimes it can be a little bit hard if you've got bits of slime stuck in there. Yes, thank you very much, Talia. But otherwise, this is the best alternative that we can get for cleaning a handbag. Okay, now that the handbag is all clean, we need to come up with like a little bit of a plan of attack. So when you're organizing, what we normally do is obviously we're going to need to purge and then go and group things into categories. Now, I've actually written a list, believe it or not, before I even started this, as to things that I need in my handbag that I often go to grab to when I don't have, or which are packed in there, as well as just things that like I obviously use every day. So I've made those lists up. And then if there's anything that I've missed, then I'll obviously be able to, you know, add that to that list as I am, you know, grouping them into bags. So we're going to grab our organizers now and let's start organizing. Okay, so now I have organized all these little bags. I thought I'd quickly give you a little tour of what I've put in each of them, and then just how you can incorporate them and use them with most of the handbags that you've got. So basically this one here is a work bag. So this is anything that I need to take into the room that I work into in the morning. So I've got things like sunglasses, reading glasses, sticky notes, and it's some stationery in here. And then in this one here is like a beauty bag. So I have like sunscreen, deodorant, spare hair ties, little bits of eczema cream there. I do have some tissues, some wipes, and also some lip balm. So this one here is probably going to be staying in my bag all the time. And then I have my shopping bag, which contains a shopping bag. This is a really cool one because it folds up, so that's really handy for when you go to the shops and you think you're only going to buy one item, then you come out with like a million other items, and then you end up with like heaps of plastic bags at home. So it's always good to have a little one in your handbag like that. Then I have my measuring tape. As you guys know, obviously being an organizer, I need to measure a lot of things, and this one here is really cute and compact. And then I also have my keychain, which has my sample paints on it, which you can't see in here, but I have showed you guys before. So that's great if you're going shopping for things and you want to make sure that it matches in with your color scheme. The next one that I have is one that is specifically for Talia. And this one here, I have snacks in. I have some more wipes in here again. This is just good to have an extra set of wipes because obviously there's only 10 in a pack for one. And the other thing is basically if it's in Talia's, I know that this is a Talia one. And if I pull this out when I don't have it, I know that I also have another bag that has some in there, so I don't have to stress so much. So yeah, I've got snacks, I've got the wipes, I've got a spare pair of undies and pair of pants just in case she has an accident, which is a very rare occasion. And then I also have this smock bib. This one here is from Designer Bums, I should say. So if you haven't heard of these guys, they do disposable nappies, but they also have smocks as well. So these are like obviously waterproof because they're made out of the same material as like the shell of a modern cloth nappy. So I love them, and yeah, I use these for when we go out because she likes to drink things with a spoon. Yes. So this is sort of like a compromise because she gets it all over her. So obviously I want to let her enjoy herself, but if she's going to do that, she's going to have to wear a bib like a baby. So this is what we sort of have. So now I'm just going to put them in the bag and show you how they look and just have a little chat to you about, you know, why this system is so great. So this is what it looks like all together, and I'd love just to get these labeled on the top as well so I can know, but I think just from the different sizes I'm going to be able to tell exactly what is what anyway, which is really, really handy. My phone is just tucked away in the side there. It doesn't actually fit in this pouch because this is actually my like full wallet. And then in the back here I do have my set of car keys. So that's pretty much how I'm going to pack my bag when I need every single organizer that is in here, which I won't need every day. The reason why this system is so good is because, say obviously I'm a single parent, so you know, once a fortnight I will have a day where I don't have Talia, or on the Tuesday when I do all my YouTube recording and stuff like that. That is my day that I have to myself. So on that day I will just pull this one out because there's absolutely zero need for this, and that's why I was saying I'd just put wipes in another one because, you know, I'll know that I've still got wipes on me and I don't have to go and repack bags. The other one is the work bag. So obviously I'm not going to need this on the weekends because I don't work weekends and I don't work the Tuesday, so I won't even need this. And when I don't need to use it, I can easily just store this one at work. And then these two will probably just live in my bag. So if I am going out for the night and I have a mum's night out, I probably will not need this shopping bag because I'm not going anywhere to do any shopping. So I could leave this one at home, which would leave me just the beauty bag, which, you know, has the deodorants, Panadol, stuff for if I break a nail, lip balm, wipes, all that sort of thing. So this is perfect, and this is probably one that will just live in whatever handbag I have. So I can try and transfer this from one handbag to another. And that's what's so great about this system. I can take out what I don't need on the day, and then I can transfer it into the applicable handbag that I want to use for the day, and it works. But to be honest, if you know me, I'm a bit of a minimalist. I actually only own two handbags. One is this large one, and then I have a much smaller version, which would probably only fit this in if I was lucky, to be honest. I might even have to buy an even smaller one just for that bag. But anyway, that is pretty much why I love this system, is because it is so versatile. And as I said, it's a trial system of what I'm going to be doing just to keep organized. So if this does work, when I do start my organizing business, I would love to, you know, have something of my own line where it's really nice and pretty that I can put into handbags, and again, a really practical use. Now that you've seen how I organize my handbag, one of the things you need to consider whenever you are organizing things around your house, whenever you buy new things, is where are you actually going to store these? So yes, we've found an organization system that, you know, is going to work for our handbag, but where are you going to store these bags when you're not using them, and where is your refill station? So I'm just going to quickly show you my refill station and what sort of like my plan is for storing these items when I am actually not using them. Okay guys, so you have seen these drawers before. I have shown these many times before. This is basically my junk drawer, but it's also my station where I could refill my handbag with all my little bits and pieces that I may need. So it's basically my handbag refill station, as well as a great spot to dump anything out of your handbag that you don't need. So pretty much because ours are stored in little bags, we're probably just going to need a spot for our little bags, but this will still be a great refill station. If you have a husband, obviously doesn't have a handbag and has pockets, this is an amazing system that works for men. So I had this issue obviously when I did have, you know, Talia's dad living with me, and that's why I actually got this drawer system to begin with, because everything was getting dumped on the kitchen counter. So this system, I will quickly show you what it is and you will see exactly what I mean. So this is the system. So basically I have refills of things that I need. So if you've got a partner, you know, you'd put a part there where they can dump, say, their keys, their coins, you know, tiling, little squares if they're tilers like he was, you know, anything that you know is going to be in their pockets, have a section in a drawer for them so they can quickly dump it in there and it's out of the way and no one's actually going to see it. So yeah, these are just some of the products that I need that I will be going to reach for. And then I also have another one in here. Obviously some of this stuff is in the handbag, like the glasses and stuff like that. This definitely needs a refill of, like, you know, tissues and stuff like that. But yeah, this is just such a great system. I used to actually keep the mail in here, but now that I have the craft room and I have a little section for office, I've actually moved that out there. This is pretty much anything that, as I said, that gets dumped out of pockets, or if you do have the pocket system inside your handbag and you're pretty happy with that, then this is a great system just to unload all those bits and pieces that you don't need. So for my organizers, I'll probably just put my work one, leave my work one at work, and then, you know, Talia's bag, I'll probably just put this in our little study nook area here, which is not pretty, but this is where we have handbags as well. I put handbags and keys and stuff like that as well. As I said, every time you do an organization system, you need to think about where you're going to store things when you're not using them, because we don't want that extra clutter around the house, because that is actually why we organize things to begin with. So anyway, guys, I'm going to leave it at that. And I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for the lovely comments I had last week on my day in a life video. I did have far less views than what I normally did, but the audience retention was really good, and you guys who did watch it really seem to enjoy it, which is great feedback for me. In saying that, if there's any videos that you would like to see, of course, you know, DM me, give me some comments below, let me know what you want to see next. Obviously, I am more of a predominantly, you know, home organization channel, and that's the business that I want to, you know, get into and start. So I will be doing a lot of organizing videos, but obviously I can't just do organizing videos. I will probably end up running out of things to organize at the end of the day. So if there's any other kind of videos that you'd love to see on my channel, then definitely hit me up and let me know. And I will see what I can do for you. If it fits in with the sort of theme that I'm going for, then I'll definitely consider that for sure. So I hope you did enjoy this video, and of course if you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss another video. And of course, I'll see you next week with a new one. I'll see you then. Bye.